Good morning. We've just arrived at Sydney Airport and we've gone through the normal formalities, immigration, and we're about to go to the Qantas lounge. This is the first class lounge. Quite excited about this one. As a British Airways passenger, we are entitled to use the Qantas lounge. So let's go and do a quick tour, and then we'll join our British Airways flight BA16 all the way to Singapore today. So, welcome aboard BA16. I'll give you a total overview at the end of this video.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome aboard this British Airways flight to London via Singapore.
So don't get me wrong, this is a great product. It has great space, good seating, great service, good food, but does it live up to my expectations? Wait until the end. There is a storage area to hang your clothes, but there is lacking a lot of storage area, or virtually no storage area, to put an iPhone, sunglasses or anything else that you want to carry on board with you. tonic with some canapes? Don't mind if I do. Cheers.
Crab starter. Enjoy.
This was an enjoyable flight from Sydney to Singapore. I have travelled business class or world traveller with British Airways before, and would I do that again? Definitely not. British Airways has been compared, not by me, but to other people, as a business class product when you compare to Emirates, Qatar, Etihad, even Singapore Airlines. So from my last Singapore Airlines business class trip, I would put that on par with British Airways first class. There is a lack of storage space, virtually none. The food selection was probably, I think, 4 main courses, where you get at least 6 with other airlines. There is no book the cook, or you can't pre-request a meal. It's only off the menu. They do serve it at a time that you would like. The service is good. The quality of the food was excellent. I did have the Australian beef, and I would say it's probably the best beef I've had in the sky. Their catering out of Sydney is done by Gate Gourmet. All in all, a good flight, relatively good product, but would I redeem 65,000 Qantas points again, where I can redeem 60,000 for Emirates or Qantas? The answer would be no. Would I pay for this product? Definitely not. Would I pay for Singapore Airlines business class? I did, and I'd do it again. But that's my review. That's my opinion. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. As normal, please press the like button and subscribe for upcoming videos. Have a great day and thanks for watching. This is Damon, the Travel Guy.